Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Solana price prediction and Solana news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Solana in 2022. Solana is a highly functional open source project that relies on the free nature of blockchain technology to create decentralized finance (DeFi) solutions. The idea and initial work on the project began in 2017. Solana was officially launched in March 2020 by the Solana Foundation, headquartered in Geneva, Switzerland. Thanks to its innovative hybrid consensus model, Solana is of interest to both small traders and institutional investors. The focus of the Solana Foundation is to make decentralized finance available on a larger scale. Anatoly Yakovenko is the face of the Solana project. His professional career began at Qualcomm, where he quickly rose through the ranks to become senior engineering manager in 2015. Later, his professional path changed, and Yakovenko moved to the position of a programmer at Dropbox. In 2017, Yakovenko began work on a project that would later come to life as Solana. He teamed up with his Qualcomm colleague Greg Fitzgerald, and they founded a project called Solana Labs. With the involvement of several more former Qualcomm colleagues in the process, the Solana protocol and the SOL token went public in 2020. Solana, SOL, rallies to become sixth largest cryptocurrency. Here's why. Solana, SOL, the native token on the popular proof-of-stake (POS) blockchain, became the sixth largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization following a stellar rally over the past week. The token jumped 2 spots in the list on Thursday, overtaking Ripple, XRP, and Cardano, ADA, while also avoiding broader weakness in the crypto market. SOL jumped nearly 17% over the past 7 days, and was last trading around $120, its highest level since late November. The token also rose 0.4% in the past 24 hours, while the broader crypto market fell around 5%. The token surged through the second half of March, recovering sharply from a 7-month low hit in the middle of the month. It had earlier this week overtaken Terra, Luna, to take the No. 8 spot in the top 10 cryptocurrencies. SOL sees bullish indicators as mid-March recovery extends. Popular Twitter analyst @SmartContractor noted that SOL had shown a bullish Morningstar pattern for March, indicating that it was set to recover further after losses earlier in the month. The token is up nearly 33% from its March lows of around $81. Institutional interest. The DeGem hopes boost Solana. SOL benefited from a slew of positive news through March. Last week, digital asset manager CoinShares and world number 3 crypto exchange FTX jointly launched an exchange-traded product that offers SOL staking rewards without directly buying the token. The product is geared chiefly towards institutional investors and is expected to draw a large amount of capital to SOL. The token also makes up nearly a quarter of the weightage in a recently launched smart contracts fund by digital assets manager Grayscale. Large-scale trading by investment houses is credited with spurring a massive crypto rally in 2021, and as such, is usually a bullish indicator. Krafton, developer of the wildly popular PUBG The DeGem, partnered with Solana Labs last week to develop blockchain games, drawing more attention to the token. Ethereum's planned shift to a POS model has also spurred interest in other projects in the space. After recent gains, SOL is the second largest player in this space. Solana price analysis. SOL value rises by 12% following a Pensia announcement. Technical indicators elsewhere. In the top 10 cryptocurrencies, Ripple, XRP, is currently down by 7% to 80 cents, while Terra has also dropped by nearly 6% to $102. The rest of the coins in the upper echelons of the crypto market have variously recorded drops ranging from 4.4% to 0.5% over the last 24 hours. Solana's relative strength indicator, RSI, is getting ever closer to the 70 points mark. This would indicate that SOL is being overbought and could yet experience a trend reversal in the coming days. SOL's moving average convergence divergence, MACD, indicator is showing an upward expansion, suggesting a continued bullish run for the cryptocurrency. Additionally, Solana's current bias is also decidedly bullish. Solana's bullish performance has been buoyed by a marked rise in demand for non-fungible tokens, NFTs, on the platform. This rise in demand has in turn been spurred by news that OpenSea, the industry-leading marketplace for NFTs, is set to integrate the Solana blockchain into its platform sometime in April. The announcement for the integration was made in a 16-second teaser video posted on Pensia's official Twitter handle. The tweet was then quote-tweeted by OpenSea's head of blockchain, Adam Montgomery. Less than 24 hours later, the original tweet had been viewed more than 500,000 times, retweeted nearly 9,000 times. If you are looking for Solana price prediction for 2022, 2025 and 2030, then you have come to the right place. We will share some of the most anticipated questions that seriously require attention and accurate answers. SOL rate prediction 2022. SOL will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Solana rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2022, the Solana rate will be almost $122.19. The maximum bet we can get is $142.07. Solana average price prediction for the end of 2022 could be around $125.72. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Sol price prediction 2023. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new year. We are sure that the long-term price forecast for Sol will rise as there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention. The year 2023 could end with an average bid of $182.67 and a minimum bid of $177.65. The maximum bid is expected to be around $211.87. Sol price forecast 2024. For a long-term forecast of the Solana price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average price of Sol will rise to around $262.85 by 2024 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2024, the year could end with a maximum price of $312.30 with a minimum price $255.55 level. Solana price prediction 2025. In 2025, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of Solana will skyrocket, with a maximum trading price of $446.11 in 2025. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $381.94 with a maximum price of $446.11 for 2025. Sol rate prediction 2026. The value of Solana will rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2026 is bullish. Sol is expected to top out at $641.51 by the end of 2026, according to analysts. On the other hand, it's very optimistic that Solana's future will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of Sol will be between $508.24 and $523.51 expected in 2026 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of Sol ranges from $508.24 to $641.51 for 2026. Solana price prediction 2027. Solana's current price range may be of interest to many traders, and therefore Sol could reach $886.45 by 2027, with significant cooperation with financial institutions, if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $731.64 for 2027, it could beat the last price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2027. Solana price prediction 2028. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated.